Imagine a world without engines, a world where the fastest travel is on horseback, a world where heavy loads are moved by hand or by animals. This was the world before the steam engine. For centuries, humans relied on muscle power and simple machines. Water wheels and windmills provided some mechanical energy, but these sources were unreliable and limited in power. The world was poised for a revolution. Then came a breakthrough. A new invention promised to change everything. This invention was the steam engine. The story of the steam engine begins in the coal mines of England. Coal was becoming essential for heat and industry, but mines often flooded with water, halting production. Miners needed a way to remove the water quickly and efficiently. This need led to the invention of the first steam engine. It was a crude machine, but it held immense promise. The early steam engines were not powerful or efficient, but they represented a crucial first step. They demonstrated the potential of steam power to transform the world. In 1712, Thomas Newcomen unveiled his creation, the atmospheric engine. It was a marvel of engineering for its time. It used steam to create a vacuum, which then pulled down a piston. This piston drove a pump which removed water from the mines. Newcomen's engine was revolutionary. It was the first practical use of steam power to do work. However, the engine had limitations. It was inefficient and consumed vast amounts of coal. It was also prone to breakdowns. A better solution was needed. Enter James Watt, a Scottish engineer. In the 1760s, Watt made crucial improvements to Newcomen's engine. He added a separate condenser, which significantly increased efficiency. Watt's engine used less fuel and produced more power. It was also more reliable and easier to operate. Watt's innovations marked the birth of the modern steam engine. His invention would unleash a technological revolution. The world was about to change forever. Section 5. The power of steam unleashed, transforming industries and societies. Watt's steam engine rapidly spread throughout Britain and beyond. This revolutionary invention marked the beginning of a new era, one where human and animal muscle power were no longer the primary sources of energy. The steam engine's ability to convert water and heat into mechanical work opened up endless possibilities. It found applications in a wide range of industries. From mining to manufacturing, the steam engine became an indispensable tool. It was used to pump water out of mines, making mining operations more efficient and less dangerous. In manufacturing, it powered machines that could produce goods at a scale and speed previously unimaginable. Factories could now operate machinery on a larger scale than ever before. This led to the rise of large industrial complexes, where hundreds, if not thousands, of workers were employed. The efficiency and productivity of these factories skyrocketed, leading to a boom in production and a decrease in the cost of goods. The steam engine powered textile mills, ironworks, and flour mills. In textile mills, it drove the looms and spinning machines, enabling mass production of fabrics. In ironworks, it powered the bellows and hammers, making the production of iron and steel more efficient. Flour mills also benefited, as steam engines could grind grain faster and more consistently than traditional methods. It transformed the way goods were produced and consumed. The ability to produce goods on a large scale meant that products became more affordable and accessible to a broader segment of the population. This shift not only changed the economy but also had a profound impact on daily life, as people could now purchase items that were once considered luxuries. The Industrial Revolution was underway. Cities grew rapidly as people moved from rural areas to urban centers in search of work. The landscape of Britain and other industrializing nations changed dramatically, with factories and smokestacks becoming common sights. The steam engine had a profound impact on society. It not only created new jobs, but also led to the development of new social classes. The working class, composed of factory workers, miners, and other laborers, emerged as a significant force in society. At the same time, a new class of industrial capitalists who owned and operated the factories amassed great wealth. It created new jobs and fueled economic growth. The demand for labor in factories and mines provided employment opportunities for many, leading to a rise in living standards for some. However, the working conditions were often harsh, with long hours, low wages, and dangerous environments, but it also led to social upheaval and environmental challenges. The rapid industrialization brought about significant social changes, including the rise of labor movements and demands for better working conditions. Additionally, the environmental impact of industrialization became apparent, with pollution from factories affecting air and water quality. These challenges highlighted the need for reforms and regulations to address the negative consequences of industrial progress. Section 6. Full steam ahead. The age of steamboats and locomotives. The steam engine's impact extended beyond factories. It revolutionized transportation both on land and at sea. The first successful steamboat, the Clermont, was launched in 1807. Steamboats transformed river travel, making it faster and more efficient. They opened up new trade routes and connected distant communities. Then came the steam locomotive. Railroads spread rapidly across the globe, shrinking distances and facilitating trade. The world was becoming interconnected. Section 7. A world transformed. The lasting impact of the steam engine. The steam engine's impact on the world is immeasurable. It powered the Industrial Revolution, transformed transportation, and reshaped societies. Its legacy is still felt today. The steam engine paved the way for the development of other technologies, including the internal combustion engine and electricity generation. It led to the rise of modern cities and global trade. The steam engine is a testament to human ingenuity and its power to shape the world. Section 8. A counterfactual world, imagining life without steam power. Picture a world where the steam engine was never invented, where the hum of machinery and the whistle of trains are absent from our daily lives. What if the steam engine had never been invented? This question opens a door to a fascinating alternate history, one where human progress took a different path. It's a question that historians and scientists have pondered for years. The steam engine was a catalyst for the Industrial Revolution, a period of rapid technological and social change. The world would be a vastly different place. Without the steam engine, the pace of innovation would have been slower, and the landscape of our cities and towns would look very different. Without steam power, the Industrial Revolution might have been delayed or taken a different course. Factories would rely on human and animal labor, and the efficiency of production would be significantly lower. Transportation would be slower and more limited. The steam engine revolutionized travel, making it possible to move goods and people over long distances quickly and efficiently. Globalization, as we know it, might not have occurred. The steam engine enabled the growth of global trade networks, connecting distant parts of the world in ways that were previously unimaginable. The world without the steam engine is a world we can only imagine. It would be a world where progress was slower, where communities were more isolated, and where the rhythm of life was dictated by the natural world. But it serves as a reminder of the profound impact this invention has had on our lives. The steam engine not only transformed industries, but also reshaped societies, economies, and the very fabric of our daily existence. Today, we live in a world of rapid transit, global communication, and advanced technology, all of which can trace their roots back to the advent of steam power. The legacy of the steam engine is evident in every aspect of modern life. From the trains that crisscross continents to the factories that produce our goods, the influence of steam power is undeniable. Understanding this history helps us appreciate the technological advancements we often take for granted. It also highlights the importance of innovation and the potential for future breakthroughs to shape our world. The steam engine was more than just a machine. It was a symbol of human ingenuity and the drive to push beyond the limits of what was thought possible. As we look to the future, we can draw inspiration from the past. The story of the steam engine reminds us that with creativity and determination, we can overcome challenges and transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. And so we close this chapter of our counterfactual journey, reflecting on the incredible impact of steam power and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Section 9. Conclusion: the enduring legacy of the steam engine. The steam engine may seem like a relic of the past, a piece of history confined to museums and old photographs, but its legacy lives on, not just in the physical remnants we see, but in the very fabric of modern engineering and transportation. It serves as a reminder of the power of human ingenuity to overcome challenges and transform the world. The steam engine was more than just a machine. It was a symbol of progress and a catalyst for the Industrial Revolution. The story of the steam engine is a story of innovation, progress, and the enduring human spirit. It represents a time when humanity dared to dream big and push the boundaries of what was possible. It is a story that continues to inspire us today. In classrooms around the world, students learn about the steam engine not just as a historical artifact, but as a testament to human creativity and perseverance. As we face new challenges in the 21st century, we can draw inspiration from the pioneers of the steam age. These were individuals who looked at the world around them and saw potential where others saw limitations. Their determination to harness the power of nature changed the world. The expansion of railways powered by steam engines connected distant lands and brought people closer together, fostering trade, communication, and cultural exchange. We can do the same. By looking back at the achievements of the past, we can find the inspiration to tackle the challenges of the present and future. The steam engine teaches us that with determination, creativity, and hard work, we can overcome obstacles and achieve great things. Today, our transportation systems have evolved far beyond the steam engine, with high-speed trains, electric cars, and even the prospect of space travel. Yet the principles that drove the development of the steam engine still apply. The quest for innovation and the drive to improve our world continue to propel us forward. Engineers and scientists today are working on renewable energy projects, harnessing the power of the sun and wind, much like the steam pioneers harnessed the power of steam. In modern factories, robotics and automation have taken the place of steam-powered machinery, but the spirit of innovation remains the same. The steam engine laid the groundwork for the technological advancements we see today. Even as we look to the stars and dream of exploring new worlds, we carry with us the legacy of the steam engine. It reminds us that no matter how advanced our technology becomes, it all started with a simple idea and the courage to pursue it. The enduring legacy of the steam engine is not just in the machines themselves, but in the inspiration they provide to future generations. As children play with steam engine models and visitors marvel at exhibits, the story of the steam engine continues to be told. It's a story of collaboration, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of progress. It teaches us that when we work together and harness our collective ingenuity, we can achieve remarkable things. The steam engine may be a relic of the past, but its legacy is very much alive in the modern world. It is a testament to the power of human creativity and the enduring spirit of innovation that continues to shape our future. And so, as we conclude this journey through the history and legacy of the steam engine, let us remember the lessons it has taught us and carry its spirit of innovation forward into the future.